Hey, Jin here. If you're going on a road trip and you're wondering what the best apps to use are before, during, and after your road trip, continue to watch to learn a little bit about them. Alright, so I'll talk about 4 aspects of a road trip and the best apps to use for each aspect. So first, it will be planning and organizing your information. The second one will be gas. The third one will be expenses. And fourth will be safety. So for planning and organizing your information, the first app that comes to mind is Roadtrippers. You can discover millions of places along your route, and the places are reviewed and rated by the app's users. You can choose from pre-planned guides that will jumpstart your planning. The places and route will be documented in an easy-to-digest itinerary. It also shows you all the places on the map. Roadtrippers has an intuitive interface and is easy to use. The only downside to this app is that you can only add up to 7 places in your itinerary, and to unlock the full functionality of the app, you'll need to pay $30 for the year. If you're looking for a totally free app to help you plan and organize your trip, I'd have to plug Planit. The Planit app allows you to create your perfect trip with a simple drag and drop interface. It helps you organize your itinerary. You can jot down notes, save favorited places and things to do, make a packing list, and more. You can also browse other people's trips, and if you see something you like, you can copy it and jumpstart your planning. So when it comes to gas and gas savings, the absolute must-have app is called GasBuddy. If you haven't heard of GasBuddy before, it basically helps you minimize your gas cost while driving. It offers savings at the pump in multiple ways. First, it'll tell you the cheapest gas stations to get gas as you're driving on your road trip. The gas prices are crowdsourced, and you can report gas prices to let fellow road trippers know about the latest deals. Also, you can get the free GasBuddy fuel card and save up to 25 cents per gallon of gas. GasBuddy also has a gas cost estimator that will give you an idea of how much it will cost to go from point A to point B, which is super useful when planning a road trip. This app has saved more than 90 million people money on their gas. If you're a budget-minded traveler and you want to track your expenses, there's a lot of different apps to do this, but the one that I would recommend is TravelSpend. TravelSpend lets you add expenses and categorize them. You can label if you paid with cash or card. Also, TravelSpend supports a lot of currencies, so you can use this almost anywhere in the world. You can share and sync data with friends and family and organize your budget together in real time. The app is free with ads, and there are some additional features like adding your expenses to a map, tracking income, but these require a payment. And finally, when it comes to safety, there are 2 apps that are actually very useful. The first safety-related app is called GeoSure. It's an app that assesses locations based on their safety conditions, including violence, property loss, basic freedoms, and more. The app establishes a safety score that measures safety on an objective level. You can also share your own personal safety experience in locations that you visited. Crowdsourcing the safety experiences makes the app community-based and dynamic, allowing it to update accurately with time. BSafe is the other safety-related app. This app utilizes GPS to allow your security network, which is your friends and family, to track you live on a map. This is useful potentially when driving places, hiking, or when arriving at specific destinations at a specific time is expected. Alright, so those are going to be the apps that are going to be very useful for you when you're going on a road trip. If you found this video helpful or informational, please let us know by hitting the subscribe button and giving it a thumbs up. Thanks.